More than 2,000 years ago, ancient China was said to have developed a remarkable early warning system. Large drums were buried near city walls, allowing soldiers to detect enemy tunneling by listening to vibrations traveling through the ground. It sounds almost impossible, but could it really work? To find out, the Mythbusters decided to recreate the device. They found a massive ceramic vessel, prepared a goatskin hide by shaving and soaking it, then stretched it tightly across the top to build a drum similar to those described in historical records. Next, they traveled to an abandoned gold mine to put the myth to the test. The team lowered the drum into a shaft about 15 feet deep, roughly 30 feet from a mining tunnel. They also placed a geophone nearby to measure underground vibrations. At the first test location, miners began digging inside the tunnel. The geophone immediately detected the vibrations. Then came the surprise. The buried drum responded as well. Rhythmic sounds could be heard coming from the drum, proving that the underground activity was reaching the surface. The team then moved to a second location farther away. Once again, the geophone picked up the digging, but this time the drum remained silent. Finally, they tested a third location. The geophone detected the activity, and moments later the drum responded too, although much more faintly than before. The results showed that under the right conditions, the buried drum could detect underground digging and make those vibrations easier to hear. What sounded like an ancient legend turned out to be a surprisingly effective early warning system.